Hey, a little rain ain't gonna stop us here at TMG from throwing some pits out there. We got my man Steve S's 1,000 gallon on a trailer package heading out today, going down to Florida, guys. Got a couple thousand gallons going down to Florida here. Steve called us up, said, guys, I'm starting a non-for-profit, need a big ass smoker to cook some food on. We got you, brother. Let's check out Steve rigs. As you can see, it is on our trailer package. Guys, we build all of our trailers in-house, design them around your setup, and we build them right. All right, a couple extra add-ons he did. We've got 2 folding shelves on the front here. So these lock down and then fold up. Big area to prep and serve off of. Guys, you're never gonna complain about having too much shelf space. Coming on down the line here, guys, the counterweights are standard on 1,000 gallon. You got 4 top grates, 5 grates on the bottom, 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. On this rig, he said, man, I want some rusty wheels to match my rusty smoker. We got you, brother. Got him some rusty wheels on there, baby moon hubcaps. He said, guys, I want my logos rusty too. Hey, we got you at TMG, baby. So we got the rusty logos on the side of this firebox. Guys, y'all know the deal. All of our fireboxes on the tank smokers, fully insulated, hold heat great, make it run like a dream. We got 3/8 thick walled pipe inside there, never gonna burn out on you. Now on the passenger side here, he's got not 1, but 3 of our stainless steel prep tops here. So these fold up, you got a lot of storage underneath, fold it back down, lock it up, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to rock and roll. So like I said, he's got 3 of those. You got a little stationary stainless piece right here next to his 48-inch Santa Maria grill, guys. These Santa Marias are awesome. Raise and lower your cooking grate. Very fun to cook on. You got double doors here to tend your fire. And then he said, man, I need some fries to go with my barbecue. We got you, baby, right here. 6 gallon, double basket fryer, propane powered. Got the propane tank in the front tongue here. Steve, brother, you're ready to go. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.